Hey there, my name is Anup and welcome back into the taxation part 3. In this we are going to understand concept of standard taxes or tax classes in WooCommerce. This is the major concept, and if you got this particular point of classes, then according to me, you can cover the 50% of the complete taxation thing in WooCommerce. So let's get started. So let's quickly take a very basic example. Like I have 5 items. Item 1 have 12% of tax, item 2 have 12% of tax, item 3 have 18% of tax, and item 4 and 5 have 5% of tax. So like government impose according to the items, the taxations. Now, and you are dealing in all kind of products, means it may possible like you are only dealing with one kind of products, means you have to pay just 12% to the government. So in that you can use a standard that we will cover later on. Right now we are understanding the tax classes. So here I have created 3 tax classes. Tax class 1 is 12% tax. Name can be anything. This is the name of class. Name can be anything. Tax class 2 I have created is 5%, and class 3 I have created 18%. So what will happen in WooCommerce? There is a section where I can assign a tax classes. We will understand. We will see the practical version after this. So here are tax classes. Now I'll assign this to class 1. So this is the global thing, and if you want to change all the this is actually associated with this. If I am changing anything, like I'm making it to 11%, so what will happen, these item 1 item 2 will calculate the 11% of tax. So now let's quickly understand the same version in WooCommerce. We will learn how to create classes 12%, 5%, 80%, and then we will understand where to update these classes in WooCommerce product section. So the very first basic thing that you have to do, you have to come in WooCommerce, in settings, in taxes, in tax options, and by default this tax tab you will not get by default this tax tab. So you have to enable this. I have explained in the last 2 videos. I have given the link in the description how you can enable and what are these settings. So if you are not getting, or if you are getting some confusion in this, so you can watch those videos and come back over. Now I'm here, and then this is the shipping tax classes, and this shouldn't be standard. Standard is something which is global, like we have to manage cart item wise. So shipping tax class based on cart item, the first setting that we need to check on means we are applying the cart settings according to the items that we have seen over here. Like these are the cart items. We don't need any global settings. Now here if you click on the additional tax classes, like there are 2 already created tax classes, so we'll create 18% tax, the first class. I think this is the third class, so first is 12%, so we'll create 12%. You have to press shift enter. So next one is like 5% tax, 5% tax, and next one is 18% tax. So that's all, and let's save this. So once we will save this, we will get over here like standard rates. So standard rates are the default version that we get, and here we have created the 3 more. So we'll click on the 12%, because it's just a name. It doesn't mean like WooCommerce will not understand either it's 12%, either 5%. It's just a name, so don't confuse in this. I have given the same name because while applying the text, it will come in the drop down. Either you want to add standard 12, 18, 15, so we will easily identify that. So let's insert a row, and in this we can create a complex rules, and this complex rules we are going to understand in next upcoming 2-3 videos. But here just you have to just put here, this is 12%, so you have to paste just 12%, and the priority, compound, and shipping things we will also cover in the next one, and what the name that you want to give. So let's give the GST that is applicable in India. So let's save this, and we will also understand how to make IGST, SGST on the basis of the state in upcoming videos. So here I have placed 12%. Similarly we will do in all 18 or 5% also. So I have created all. Let's quickly move into the products and where to apply those settings. So you can pick any kind of product. Like I'm on the screen of a product called scarf toy. I think that's the exact pronunciation. So you have to come in this is a simple product, and here the taxation is textable, and this is the default class, and here we have to place, let's suppose we are imposing on this product 18%. So we'll just place 18%, and similarly you have to do in the all kind of products. Like if there is any other product, you can select 12%, you can select 5%, and you can select 18%. So I'm just placing over here the 18%, and I just update this. So I have updated this particular, and let's make the figure in easy way, like 100 rupees, so we can easily calculate without doing some math calculations. So I need to just update again, and let's quickly view this product. So here I'm getting 100 rupees, and once I'm doing add to cart, and I'll see view cart. So here let's remove the first one. Yeah, so here the 100 rupees and GST is 15%. Let's quickly change the text settings. So it's right now it's included, we need to make excluded, so we can easily calculate. And if you don't know the difference between excluded and included taxes, then you can watch this video that's coming on the screen. And let's go in the taxes, and then now I'll enter the price exclusive of tax. Then let's reload this. So here we are getting exactly the 18%, and to check this, the text classes are working fine or not, so we quickly move on the edit screen of the product that we can navigate from here also. So let's quickly change the text class, let's make it 5%, and let's see the difference. So I'm on the edit screen, I'm doing 5% to this, and let's update this. Once we are done, we can reload this, and I'm getting 5% of text. So this is the text classes, and if you make any changes in the text classes, it will directly reflect on the all products that class has been assigned. So to understand this particular effect, let's quickly move on the text class of 5% and make it 4%, then see what's the effect that this particular global class is doing. So we are going in the 5%. And let's make it to 4%. We can say 0.5%. And once you do this, just reload this, and we are getting 2.5%. Means we don't need to change the settings of the products. Let's suppose we want to do IGST or SGST, so I can do IGST, and I can add 2.5 SGST, and let's save this. It will not work, I think so, because priority is same. Yeah, it will not work, so we need to make the priority 2. So we are getting this IGST, SGST, and we can also control this particular on the state that I will cover in the next video, that I already told you these things. So you can also see this, like this is just a name, there is no effect of this. So I hope you got the better understanding. Like you can, as many as text classes you can create, and you can impose them, one text, two texts. Like I have shown you the example of the IGST, SGST, and something like that, VAT, or some extra text that if your country have that particular thing, and whatever name you are assigning over here will be reflect on this. And make sure in the text option you have selected the item based taxation options, otherwise it will not work. It will take this particular as default. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you got a better understanding on the text classes. If you are interested to learn more on this, like more on the WooCommerce, and want to manage your store more effectively, you can subscribe this channel, and you can hit the like button if you got some help with this video. Thank you. Bye bye.